Hi, I'm Brian. I'm going to show you how to gap a spark plug, or at least how to check the gap. If you're going to change the gap on a plug, there's another tool for that has a little wrench for the thing. I'll just grab it and show you. But when you go to do a tune-up on a car, there'll be an emissions tag. It'll either say catalyst or it'll say emissions. See, like this one says catalyst. When you look, it'll also give you like the spark plug gap and all that kind of stuff most times, not every time. On this one, ignition timing curve, it doesn't have the gap. This is like one of the first ones I've ever seen that didn't have it. But anyway, most gaps are like 20 thousandths of an inch or 40 thousandths of an inch. You can get a ramp style. You see how it's like an increasing gauge. But this gap, the gap between the electrode and the ground strap, is currently at 75 thousandths of an inch. It's probably no more than 60. Some Fords will run a big huge gap like a 75, but they're like old long dead in the wrecking yard. So that's how you check the gap, is you just scroll it down and see. Like I say, this one's at like 75 thousandths. It's probably supposed to be at 40. The reason why is that the electrode's been detonated away and the ground strap's worn away. A white deposit like that's from fuel additives. If you use too much fuel additives, it'll coat the whole cylinder, everything across the top of the cylinder with white concrete-like substance. If you want to decrease the gap, you grab onto it with a little tool like that and bend it down. You got to watch out for the ceramic in the bottom because you can also bind on that and create problems for you. So I've bent that down. So now it's probably what, like 24 or so, 34, and that's how you do that. With a ramp style, it's easy to increase because you can just lever between the two and increase it that way. That's kind of a ghetto way. You're supposed to grab it and do it, but that's how you gap a plug, and that's what it's all about. If you like the video, be sure to click subscribe. What is your phone doing over there?